Here are a few tips to avoid procrastination, the Poshmark Reseller Edition. Hi, my name is Alina. I'm a part-time Poshmark reseller and a reselling content creator. As usual, we're gonna jump right into this, and we're gonna start with number one, which is set daily goals. Make a list of tasks that you want to accomplish each day and prioritize them by urgency. This will help you stay focused and motivated to complete your to-do list. Number two, create a schedule. Plan out your day and allocate specific times for work, breaks, and other activities. Stick to your schedule as much as possible to maintain consistency and productivity. Number three, break down larger tasks. If you have a big project or a task to complete, break it down into smaller, manageable parts, and this will prevent overwhelm and will make it easier to make progress. Number four, eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications, put your phone in flight mode if possible, and block out any other distractions that might interrupt your work, or if it creates a positive vibe, just get some music. 5. Take breaks. It's important to take regular breaks throughout the day to rest and recharge. Use this time to stretch, to meditate, or do something that relaxes you. Number 6. Hold yourself accountable. Set the deadlines for yourself and hold yourself accountable to them. Even reward yourself when you reach your goals to reinforce positive habits. Number 7, stay organized. Keep your workspace and inventory organized so that you can find what you need quickly and easily. This will save you time and will reduce stress significantly. By implementing these strategies, you can overcome procrastination and operate more efficiently. I am a living proof of an ex-procrastinator, and I can tell you firsthand, it's no fun to get frustrated and overwhelmed. If you are a reseller with a closet that's larger than 500 items, even that's a lot, you will know what I mean. I recently had to rethink and reorganize my entire inventory, and of course I had to document this. Take a look at the video linked on the screen to see what I've been through, what I did, what system I used, and ultimately how I made my life much easier, and how I went from looking for a sold item for half a day to less than a minute. What am I saying? 30 seconds. Yes! Honestly, it took me more than 2 weeks. Well, life happens and I could not do it in a straight line, but I cannot stress enough how important organization is and how important it is to stay focused on what you are doing. And I hope you guys get some good information from this video. My advice to you is make a habit out of staying organized from early on to avoid any chaos and any frustration. If you enjoy my reselling content, please give me some thumbs up and hit the notification bell on your way out. Don't forget to watch the next suggested video for more tips and tricks on reselling.